If you need. Carrie! Good, Carl. 1, 1, 1! Libby! Erica, turn! Go, Libby, you got Laura, Laura! Libby! Play easy, guys, play easy. Libby, yes, switch. Yeah, Carrie, 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 space, space, space. Yeah, time, turn, go ahead. Morgan, wide. Oh, good one. Watch outside. Good. Yes! Good, Morgan! Talk, Carly! Lori, another support. Yeah, Libby here. Carrie, 1 on your right. Good find. You want to tell, you got any good jokes? You want to tell them a joke?
I don't have any good jokes. I'm not a jokester. Well, I can make all kind of jokes. Yeah. I can draw like butanes for you. Do
you want to hear my chemistry joke?
Well, yeah.
I would tell you, but all the good ones are good.
I can't imagine.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Like this. There's such a bad on the right.
You got it, Lizzie.
You got it, Liz.
Sugar. Hey, is my lip fat?
No. Oh, let me see. A little bit, but you just got a little like vampire.
Was that last season?
No, it was like before.
Are you gonna shoot, Wes?
What?
Are you gonna shoot? Good. Sure.
I know what he looks like. Is he cute?
It was Lucky Finn.
That's a scary sound too.
It's an awful noise. Get off the field. Están llegando cascas. ¿Cascas?
Porque están dando ball, pero
Y no tienen flags. No tienen bandas.
no comprende tú.
Oh, it's not recording.
Sure.
Okay. Why do seagulls fly by the bay?
I don't know why.
Because then they eat bagels!
Testing 1, 2, 3, testing.
Do you know any good jokes?
Right up. If you'd give me a little shout out.
Oh, I'd like to give a shout out to Morgan Holm just because she's great. She's awesome.
She's the best player on the team.
Oh, definitely.
And Sadie Hayes.
But Libby Franzel, you know, is the anchor of the back line.
The anchor.
Hook, line, and sinker. Okay, let's try that again on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hook, line, and sinker. That's right. And so as we keep talking here, I'd just like to give one more shout out to Morgan Holm. Yep. Shout out, Morgan. Love you. And Libby.
Get the wink in there.
And thank you for my time. Apparently, I've never been on live television before.
Apparently, I've never been recorded before.
Apparently, I've never done this, and this is why I keep going. Apparently. And apparently, I will be giving this back to Sadie after giving one more shout out to Morgan Holm. So, shout out to Morgan Holm.
Apparently, I need to give another shout out to Morgan Holm.
CC on 3. 1, 2, 3,
CC!
Buying those tickets tonight.
Okay, let's. Yeah! I don't know, am I supposed to say something? That's a wrap.
Yeah, we got that one.
Stop it, okay, just turn it off.
Do it again.
No. Hey, what?
All right, that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.